Why does my Chihuahua make weird noises? Chihuahuas, with their petite frames and giant personalities, are renowned for their unique vocalizations that often leave owners both amused and perplexed. From high-pitched yips to bizarre snorting sounds, these tiny pups have a knack for making weird noises that can range from endearing to downright alarming. If you find yourself wondering why your Chihuahua emits such peculiar sounds and how to manage or minimize them, fear not, you're not alone. The reasons why your Chihuahua makes weird noises are: 1. Communication. Chihuahuas are a highly expressive breed. Despite their small stature, they possess big personalities and aren't afraid to make themselves heard. Like many other dogs, Chihuahuas use vocalizations as a means of communication, expressing a wide range of emotions and desires. However, due to their unique physiology and temperament, their vocal repertoire may include some rather unconventional sounds. 2. Physical factors. The Chihuahua's small size and unique anatomy can contribute to the production of weird noises. For example, their small tracheas can make them prone to tracheal collapse, leading to coughing or honking sounds. Additionally, their elongated soft palates may cause reverse sneezing episodes, characterized by rapid, noisy inhalations. 3. Because of their personality. Chihuahuas are known for their feisty and assertive personalities. They're not afraid to vocalize their desires or assert themselves, whether it's through barking, yipping, or chirping. One of the most common weird noises made by Chihuahuas is the infamous reverse sneeze. If you've ever heard your Chihuahua suddenly start making a series of rapid, loud inhalations, accompanied by snorting or gagging sounds, you've likely witnessed a reverse sneeze. Despite its alarming appearance, a reverse sneeze is usually harmless and occurs when the dog's soft palate becomes irritated or inflamed. Triggers can include excitement, allergies, or even pulling too hard on a leash. While it may sound concerning, most Chihuahuas recover from a reverse sneeze within a few seconds to a minute, often without any intervention. Another peculiar noise often heard from Chihuahuas is a high-pitched, almost bird-like chirping sound. This noise, sometimes referred to as a Chihuahua scream, can be startling for those unfamiliar with it. However, it's usually nothing more than an expression of excitement or anxiety. Chihuahuas are known for their intense devotion to their owners and can become quite vocal when they're feeling particularly attached or protective. In some cases, this chirping behavior may also serve as a form of attention-seeking, especially if the dog feels ignored or neglected. Additionally, Chihuahuas are notorious for their love for barking, and they often do so with pleasure. Whether it's to alert their owners to intruders or simply to express their enthusiasm, Chihuahuas have no qualms about letting their voices be heard. However, their high-pitched bark can sometimes sound more like a yip or a yap, adding to their reputation for making weird noises. While excessive barking can be a nuisance, especially in apartment settings, it's important to remember that barking is a natural behavior for dogs and can be managed through training and positive reinforcement. 4. To reflect their mood. Sometimes, Chihuahuas makes weird noises as a reflection of their mood or current state of mind. For example, a Chihuahua may grumble softly when feeling content or emit a series of snorts when exploring a new environment. While these noises may seem strange to human ears, they are all part of the rich tapestry of canine communication. 5. Because of health condition. Even though weird noises are a hallmark of the Chihuahua breed, they can also be indicative of health issues. For example, excessive snorting or wheezing could be a sign of respiratory problems, while persistent coughing may indicate a more serious condition such as tracheal collapse or heart disease. If the weird noise from your Chihuahua is becoming too much, you can train them to associate quiet behavior with rewards. Use treats, praise, and affection to reinforce calm and quiet behavior, gradually teaching them to control their impulses. Since boredom and pent-up energy can often lead to increased vocalizations in Chihuahuas. Engage your pup with interactive toys, puzzle feeders, or short training sessions to keep their minds occupied and prevent boredom-induced barking. If your Chihuahua's weird noises are accompanied by other symptoms such as coughing, wheezing, or difficulty breathing, consult a veterinarian. Health conditions such as respiratory problems or dental issues may be contributing to the unusual sounds and require medical attention. If the weird noise is fear-based, such as barking at strangers or loud noises, desensitization and counter-conditioning techniques can be beneficial. Gradually expose your dog to the trigger in a controlled setting, pairing it with positive experiences such as treats or play, to change their emotional response over time. Chihuahuas may resort to vocalizations as a way to release pent-up energy or frustration. Regular exercise, such as brisk walks or interactive play sessions, can help channel their energy in a positive direction and reduce the likelihood of weird noises. If you're struggling to manage your Chihuahua's weird noises despite your best efforts, seeking assistance from a professional dog trainer or behaviorist may be beneficial. They can provide personalized guidance and develop a tailored behavior modification plan to address your dog's specific needs. Hope this video helps. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check the top corner of the screen for one of our video you may like.